Hello guys, use smartphone Xiaomi Redmi 12. This version 4GB RAM memory and 128GB internal memory. Okay. Open box and look completion. We have device in the blue color, and in completion we have key for SIM slot and only Type-C cable and protected back cover. Completion without charging adapter. Okay. Sky blue color. Triple camera on the back side. On the front side, almost 6.8 inch. Turn on device. Open settings. We have display QD LED, 6.8, 90 Hz, Full HD Plus resolution. Android 13, MIUI version Global 14.0.2. Look into the benchmark results. Good results in Antutu benchmark. We have CPU Helio G88 and GPU Mali G52. My device. Display resolution Full HD. Okay. Run GTA San Andreas. Okay. GTA San Andreas on the max graphic level works perfect. And now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.